Sir, what I should do now, sir?
Security one, just click that arrow button on the right side. Arrow button. Below, man. Where you are? Below. Getting storage is there, na? Getting started with storage. Above that, you are able to see an arrow button is there. That one, yes. Yes. Again, click. See security. Getting started with security lab. Click that. Confirm. Click confirm.
Yes, sir. Click, sir.
Yes. Okay. Slow, I think so.
Yes, sir. Network slow, sir, today. So next.
Click next. Left side module is then click that modules. Left side top modules is there. Click that modules. Why? What happened to everybody? No one is joining today. What is the issue? What is the reason? Is there any exam? Is there?
No, sir.
Okay. Just click getting started with security now.
Getting started with security.
Hmm.
Next.
It's left side modules is there, na? What you're doing actually? You're watching. Yes. Click getting started with security. It's done. Okay. Click introduction to IAM simulation. Click introduction to IAM simulation. Click modules again. Click modules again and select introduction to IAM simulation. Introduction to IAM simulation. Yes.
Next, sir.
Hey, click that load introduction to IAM simulation. You didn't watch anything in the labs before. That's what I'm saying. Everyone has to do practice it. Then only you'll remember. Yes. So here you can see simulation. Introduction to simulation lab. Click continue. Click continue. Yes. Continue. Yes. So here, wait. In this lab, what we are going to do? We are going to create a management policy, custom managed policy, IAM user group policies, and we're going to assign the users to the group. Then we'll be check the permission is properly working or not. Okay. So click continue. Continue. Yes, continue. Click continue. Yes. Yes. Wait. So wait.
So,
Previously just like previous.
sir, my net is slow, sir.
Okay, that is very slow. Okay. So. Okay. Right. So the scenario I think I already explained. You click the simulation instructions. I will tell you. Simulation
Some.
instructions. So in the lab, this is what we are going to do. Scroll down slowly. This lab will take 40 minutes of time. Scroll down. Scroll down. Are you scrolling down slightly?
Yes, yes, sir.
Not visible. Hmm. Okay, it went, it went. Go, scroll above. There will be a scenario scene that alone will explain, then we'll go back.
Sir, in task 1 or task 2, sir?
Wait, task one above you show first. I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
Wait. So guys, so what we are going to do today, right, in this lab, you're able to see user one is having S3 support, read only access to S3 bucket. Read only means what? They can only be able to read it. They cannot able to delete. Next, user two, EC2 support. EC2 support means only EC2 access he can able to access it. Next, user three is EC2 admin. That means he can able to start, stop anything he can do. Okay, so EC2 support is only read access. That is, he can able to only see it, but he cannot able to edit anything. Okay, that's what we are going to see today. Now we'll go for the lab. So previous tab you click. Hmm, yes, first we type IAM in the search box. Task one. Search. Now it's fully inside the lab only. There.
Okay.
You came to the
Yes.
mouse, na? Click that search box. Below that, where are you typing? Below that, search.
Yes,
Listen
sir.
carefully and do it, okay?
Okay, sir.
IAM. Type IAM.
I A capital,
AM.
sir.
Anything is fine. IAM and press enter. Select that IAM IAM letter. Yes, now we are able to see nothing, no user group, no users, nothing is there. So we will just create, we have created IAM. Left side you click policies. Left side, one by one policies. Okay, so you're able to see a lot of policies. In that we'll create one policy. So click create policy. Yes. In that you select JSON format. Select JSON format on that. Yes. Wait. Now in the next tab is there in the browser. In your browser tab. Next tab, which we opened now. That one.
Get get
Yes.
started.
Click that.
Yes.
Scroll down. Slightly scroll down.
Create policy. Policy edit. Choose
Come down.
JSON.
Come down. This one. You're able to see version. Copy that code. Curly braces. That one. Copy till the curly braces. You close it. Till then. Copy that. Now come to the previous tab. Hmm. Right click. Wait. Right click there. Right click there. Select all. Select. Right click. Select all. Below you see select all. Select all. Paste it. Control V. You paste. Or you right click and paste it again. Right click. Paste. Uh, yes. Now come down. Scroll down. Next button. Next button. You see next button is there. Click that next button. Yes. Policy name. You type it as EC2 hyphen admin.
EC2
EC2 hyphen admin policy
admin.
policy policy
Yes, sir.
policy spelling wrong
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
policy enter.
Make
Okay,
sure.
so you have to use capital letter. So type A caps P caps. ஓகே பரவாயில்ல. நீங்கள் ஷீட்டில் போட்டிருக்கீங்களா உங்களோட இமெயில் ஐடியெல்லாம்
Yes,
பக்கெட்டில்?
sir. Enter.
நான் இப்போ க்ரியேட் பண்ணி காமிச்சேன். எல்லாத்தையும் காமிச்சேன்.
EC2 admin policy in the policy name field. There's
Click try again. Click
actually.
try again. EC2 hyphen admin policy only, right?
Yes, sir. No space I have given.
You are given no space. Huh?
No, sir.
Then what is the policy spelling wrong man? POIL you have given. POLI. Enter. Yes, come down, scroll down, click create policy. Come down, scroll down, create policy. Yes. Now scroll down, you will be able to see one more continue button. On this entire browser you will have. You press control, you see continue at the last. That. Now task to creating groups with permission. So we first create a policy. Now we'll
Yes, sir.
create groups. Click continue. Left side you see create group is there. I mean user groups. Click user groups left side. Next create group. Yes, type EC2 capital letter EC2 hyphen admin A alone caps. Next press enter. Next scroll down. You will be able to see attach permissions. Scroll down. Wait. Wait, man. Try again. Click try again. Now type in the search box EC2 admin. Just now we created a policy, na? That policy.
Yes, sir.
EC2
EC2.
hyphen admin hyphen policy. Admin hyphen policy enter. Enter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Select that. Below you see select. EC2 admin. Below you see select admin. EC2 admin policy is there.
Yes, sir.
Left side. Select checkbox. Yes.
Create
Next,
group.
click create group. Yes. Now again create one more group. Create again. We are going to create another group called EC2 support group. So type EC2 capital letter support hyphen support.
EC2
EC2 hyphen support. Yes. Yes caps.
support.
Support group. No. Not group. Group is not needed. Just put support. That's it. Same thing. Scroll down. Attach permissions. Yes, in the field. Wait. In the field. Try again. Type Amazon EC2. Type Amazon EC2. All without space. Amazon EC2. Read only access. Read only access.
Read.
Only access. ACCESS. There is ACCESS. Okay. Enter. You can just put read only access.
Sir, read only. Only read only.
The Amazon EC2 read only. Amazon EC2 read only R caps only caps. Access caps. Read only access. Amazon spelling wrong. You're doing a lot of spelling mistakes.
Yes, sir.
AMAZON EC2
Amazon EC2.
EC2 read only R caps only O caps and access A caps.
Yes, sir.
Enter, enter. Select that below, left side below. Check and click create group. Yes, this is easy to support. Next, S3 support we have to go. Now again, click create group. Create group. Type S3 S caps 3 hyphen support S caps.
Support.
Enter,
Yes.
enter. Okay. Next one comes scroll down again. Attach policy. You have to type Amazon S3 read only access. Okay. Scroll down. Attach policies. Amazon S3 read only access.
Sir, it is
Type same
SC.
thing. No, no. First type Amazon S3.
Sir, no, sir.
Amazon.
That one I didn't do, sir. SC. S3.
That's what man. I'm asking you to type Amazon S3. Amazon S3. Amazon S3 read only access.
Yes, sir. Read only
Access,
access.
access, access.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Now select same thing, select create group. Next. So we created three groups. So click continue at the bottom. You're able to see, wait, you're able to see that users is nothing, see user is zero, right? We have created the group, but under the group, no one is there. Correct? Everyone are able to see that. Now click continue. Now we create the users.
Continue.
Continue. Yes, click left side
Yes, sir.
users and click create user, user hyphen one, user hyphen one, enter, select the provide user access. You see the provide user access is there below the user, select the checkbox. Now correct, I want an IAM user. Select I want an IAM. Wait, man. I want to create an IAM user is there. You see option.
Yes, sir.
Click that. Now again come down. You are able to see custom password. Select custom password. Okay. Before that, wait. Show password. Below show password. Select that. Now you type sim hyphen password one. Sim
Sir.
yes to big caps.
Yes.
Sim yes I am sim
Sim. Hyphen.
hyphen password pass p caps. Password one.
Password one.
Hmm. Enter. Okay. Now there is a clear that user must wait. User must create that next sign in is there, na? That you remove it below you see that one, remove that. Next you click. Next you select S3 support. Wait a minute. Why you're hurry? Wait, I'm
Sorry,
telling
sir.
you. S3 support. Listen first. S3 support. Below last option. You see groups. Under the groups, S3 support. Wait.
Sir, where, sir?
User group setting is there.
User
Below
group.
that third one. What is the third one?
S3 support.
Click that. Yes, click that. That's what the scenario we have explained you.
Yes, sir.
User 1 belongs to S3 support. Check that text box, S3 box. S3 support. Yes, that's it. Click next. Create user. That's it. Create user. Next, click returns to users list. Returns to users list. Okay, click try again. And there is a show password is there. No? You see show. Click that. You're able to see password is there. That's it. So click return to users list. Next, again click create user. This time user hyphen 2
User if
hyphen 2, same procedures, type provide user access. Again, I want to create an IAM user. You forget
no sir, no sir.
whatever steps previously we have done, same thing only.
Okay
Only
sir.
thing is custom password. Again, we have to mention sim hyphen password. Wait. Click show password. First go and type sim same capital SIM hyphen password 2 this time.
iPhone.
P caps password 2. Now again uncheck that. Yes.
Sir, user must create that. I should
Yes, uncheck that. Uncheck that. Next.
next.
Select EC2 support.
EC2 support.
EC2 support. Second one left side. That one. Select. Check that man. Left side checkbox is there. No? Check that. Yes. We are assigning this user to the group. Are you getting? That user we create in that user we are assigning under this group called EC2 group which we have already created. Now click next. Now click next.
Sir, no.
Create
Yes,
user,
yes, yes.
create user. That's it.
Show
Now
password.
again return to no need, no need. First time we check it. Now return to user list. Next one, continue, continue. Now again click create user. We created two users. Now third user. Now again the name is user hyphen 3.
Yes sir.
Enter. Provide. Again confirm password, custom password, show password, sim hyphen password 3.
Password 3.
Hmm. Uncheck, click next. Again click next. No need to do anything. Again click next. This time user group we are not creating. We are going to manually add this user. So click create user. Hmm. Return to list. Continue. Yes. So we have done to dash number 3 also done. Click continue below. Hmm. Next one. So using the user group to add the user. So now previously we have not added the user of the third person. Right now we have not added him to the under the third group. So now we are going to add it. Click continue. Yes. Now the first select the user groups left side. Hmm. EC2 admin. See there is zero na. That is zero na. EC2 admin is zero, right?
Yes sir.
Select that. Choose that admin group. Name you click. Name you click. Hmm.
Sir, name.
Click that. Now right side you see add users. So you have to add user members, add user.
I should click sir.
Yes, click.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Third user hyphen 3, checkbox. Uh,
User 3.
checkbox, and then add user. Hmm. Now left side click users. Left side click users. Yes, we have added the users also. Now click continue. Continue. Mhm. Next come down.
Continue sir.
Continue 1 minute. Okay, now we came to the next one. are going for the testing of the access. So we'll review the policies. This is a task 5, right? Click the user 2. Click user 2 from this username. Click that. We'll check the permissions. You see what is the permissions you see? Amazon read only access. Below. That one. The plus symbol is there, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Left side, plus symbol. Click that. Click that access. Okay, try again. Click that. Check that. Click that. Click that. But leave it. You just click the name itself. The name itself you click. You are able to see that. This it is showing
Yes, sir.
permission defined in this policy, right? This JSON format you click. There you'll be able to see all the permissions which is there. Okay. So this is the one. The policy has been updated by itself. That means with the policy which we have taken, it's there written. It's only allow access, only read access. Okay. Close this browser. No, not main. This one, this one. Here inside that. Yes.
Clear, sir?
Yes. Close it.
Yes, sir.
Now left side click users again. Yes. Click continue. Now we will go and test all the users whether how they are able to access it or not. Okay. So now click continue and click dashboard on the top left side. Left side. That one dashboard.
Three
Now right
users.
side you are able to see sign in URL for IAM user this account. Sign in URL for that one. Copy that. Click that. Click that link. Click that. Click that double copy. Yes. Wait. Click try again. I will tell you. Now on the top, three dots are there, na? Your browser, this browser, there. Click and click incognito mode. New incognito window. New incognito
Yes, sir. Yes,
window.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you paste it. Control V, you paste.
Sir, I didn't copy, sir.
You copied. Control V, you paste.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Enter.
Yes, sir. Use the highlighted
Click try
URL to
again.
load.
Wait. Click try again. Wait. What it is showing? It's highlighting. Na? Select that. Select that first. Select that. Second one, console. Select that. Wait. Now right click on this tab. Wait, man. I'm saying you right click on this tab. Try again. Listen to me correctly. Go above. Go above. Scroll your mouse. Left side. Left side. Left. Click that. Above. Above that Amazon. Right click. Right click. Right click.
Yes,
There
sir.
only right click.
Clicking, sir.
Right click. Duplicate. Click
To
duplicate. Again right click and duplicate. Hmm.
in Amazon.
Anyone. Right click and duplicate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why we want to create all these duplicate? Because we created three users. Okay. We created three users. The three users we gave separate permissions. That is easy to support one thing, and another one is S3 support. Another one is easy to admin full permission. So we are going to check whether all these things are working or not. Okay. So for that we opened all these things. So first one will check the permissions of the first user. Go to the first tab. Go to the last tab. Go to the last tab itself. First we'll finish that. User one. Type user hyphen one. This is what the username you created, na? User hyphen one. Enter. And what is the password you give? What is the password you gave?
Sim
Uh,
hyphen
hmm,
password
hmm.
1.
Click that. Enter. Sign in. Yes. Now, what is the first user is allowed to do? First user is S3 bucket, right? So S3 bucket is allowed. So just select S3. S3. Yes. You are able to read the data, correct? Now you are able to see the buckets. you're able to see the buckets. Bucket names you see there. General purpose buckets names. Okay. Now there is a bucket called SIM website. Below you see SIM website. Click that bucket. You're able to see a lot of objects are there. Now click upload. Click upload. Yes. Click add files. Click add files. And then click index. Click index page.
Where, sir?
Click index page. Index. They there in the folder you see. Index below you see. Below index. First one. Yes, that one. Click open. Yes, now come down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Then click upload. Then click upload. No need to do anything. Leave it.
Yes, sir.
Upload. Uh, Now you see what happened. It's failed.
Yes, sir. Failed.
Why? Because we have given S3 bucket. What access we have given? We have given only read-only access. Correct. Read-only means what? You cannot give editors. You cannot able to edit or add anything. You cannot do. You can just read that. You can just see that. That's all. Correct. Okay. Now close that button. Close that button.
Close.
Close it, or you can browser itself. You can close. So it's asking to close the browser. Close the browser. Done. So first testing is done. Now second one. Second one user is what? Click continue. Click continue below and then come.
Continue.
Hmm. Again continue. Now second one tested. What is the second username and password?
User hyphen
Hmm.
2.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
Password hyphen 2.
Password iPhone 2. Password 2. You
Password.
forget.
No, no, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Second one is what actually? Second user. Second
Same,
user is.
same as user 1, sir.
Hmm?
Same as user 1.
No, no. Second user is EC2 support.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So select EC2. Yes. And click left side instance. Left side instances. Yes. Next, select application server. Select the checkbox. Application server. Checkbox. This is a server which is already running. Correct, na? Now, as you don't wait. I'm
Yes,
telling
sir.
you. Listen first to what you are doing. Without knowing what you are doing, you will not understand. Na? So the server is running. Now, as we don't have any full permission, we have only support permission. Support instance, we can only read the file. That means what? We can able to see the file. We cannot able to edit the file or delete file or stop nothing. So let us test whether it is able to stop it or not. So we selected application server. Now go to top actions is there, na? I mean instant state is there, na? Instant state.
Server, sir.
Go on top, right side.
Instant
Instant
state.
state. Click there and stop the instance.
Stop.
Stop instance. Stop. You see that's failed now
Yes, sir.
because you don't have the permission. Okay. So it is not stopping. Fine. Close this browser. Yes. Test 2 is done. Next, third one. Third one, what is the user login?
Continue.
Continue. User login and password. What is the third user
Sir,
login and password?
choose
Okay, continue.
continue to.
Okay, continue. Okay, the third one, continue. Testing the access of user 3. Continue. Type username, user 3, user icon 3, and your password.
Sim.
what is this one is? This one is easy to admin permission, correct? Na? So same thing, whatever you did in the previous program, same thing we do. EC2, select EC2, select instance,
Sir, it is
EC2, select
instance.
instance, left side, instance is running. You select instance is running is there. Right side, right side, right side, right. Slowly left side, slowly left side, simple right side. Next to that, next to that, next to that.
Sir, instance.
Next line. Slowly. Drag on that one. Same thing. Application server you select.
Application server.
Select instance state and stop. Stop the instances. Now we are getting, is it successful on the top?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Successful.
Yes. Fine. Now this one we have given only read only this one we have given EC2 instance full access, but we are not given any S3 access. Correct, no? So even though this is having an admin, even though this is having a full admin policy, let us check whether it can able to access the other one. So go type yes in the search box. Type yes3.
New.
There on. Wait. There
Here
on
one.
in the search box. Search box.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There. Okay. Click left side Amazon icon. Then we'll type. Go top left corner Amazon icon is done. Select that. Now you type in the search box yes3. Or you select recently, wait, recently S3 is then click that itself below. Yes. Left side click buckets, left side click buckets. You see what is showing? It is showing.
You don't have permission to list buckets.
You don't have permission to list the buckets. Yes. Now you can Chrome icon, click outside this one. No. Here on. Minimize this.
Minimize, sir.
Minimize, or close it. Uh,
Try again, sir.
Choose the Chrome icon on the taskbar. You are able to see below.
Yes, sir.
Scroll down. Chrome. There. Click that. Now we came back. So left side click user groups. User groups. You're able to see S3 bucket 1 is there already. Type S3 support. Type S3 support. Type S3 support.
Search
Now,
or
no.
click.
S3 support. So previously EC to admin don't have the access of S3 bucket.
Yes,
Na?
yes, sir.
Now click S3 support. Click S3 support and add user.
Add
Add
user.
user, right side. Add user. Now we'll add the third user, that is the easy to admin user. We'll give S3 bucket permission. Okay, so click add user. Select that, and click add user. Okay. Now you go there, go down, close the current window. Maybe you can close the current window.
Which one, sir?
Hmm?
Which one, sir? This one.
Return to the cognitive window. First you go, no, minimize this one. No. Go down, scroll down. Wait, man, how you came here? Same thing. Wait, slowly.
Sir, not coming, sir.
Okay, click that minimize button. Let us see what error is showing. Minimize.
Written on this.
Okay, we'll close this window, then we'll go. Okay, return to the current window, then close the X tab. X tab.
This one, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Now refresh this page. This is the cognitive window, na? We are just checking the permission. Yes. We are able to see. Na, all the buckets. Now there is the top right side. You see user 3 number is there, na? Drop down list. The account number 00 is the fictitious number. You're able to see top right side user 3. Click that, and sign out. So that's
Send out.
our account. Yes, sign out. Yes, click continue. You have completed your lab. Yes, continue. That's it. Yes, close this tab.
This one, sir.
Yes, done.
Done, sir.
Hello, 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 சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லுங்க. ஆமா, ஆமா, ஆமா. இல்ல, மேல இருக்குங்க. ஆஃபீஸில் தான் இருக்கேன், பட் ஒர்க் இருக்குங்க. யாராவது அனுப்புனீங்கன்னா பரவாயில்ல. ஆ,
Sir, can I off my screen or I should do more?
wait, you go to the page. You go to the page. ஹலோ,
Sir?
என்ன சொன்னீங்க சார்? ம், சரி, 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 சரி. மார்னிங் ஆஃபீஸ் இருக்குங்க, வந்து பார்த்துங்க. சரி. Click that button then. Left side modules. You click left side. Hmm. Okay, so this is lab is done. You have to take the final assessment and then you can claim the badge. Okay. Okay, your charges is down. I think so. We finished the final assessment and
Yes, sir.
claim the badge as I showed you in the other class. Now you can stop. We will start the class.
Stop screen
Yes,
sharing.
stop screen sharing. Okay, as the 5 modules are done, we are going for the sixth module, that is compute module. I think I didn't mail you the fifth module. I'll send you the mail. Okay. Today I'll just send you the mail. Now we'll go for the compute module. Let us say what is this compute module? As compute, just to mention computer. What will a computer will have? What are the things a computer will have, guys? What are the things a computer will have? Come on, guys, just answer in the chat box. What are the computer will have? What will be there inside a computer? What will be there inside a computer? Okay, CPU, RAM, yes, exactly. Correct. CPU, RAM, memory, storage. Then you can connect the input output devices. Yes, everything we can able to do. Now same thing we can able to do it in the AWS. That is AWS computer. That is nothing but virtual machine. So here we are going to discuss about EC2 cost optimizations, container service, Lambda, Elastic Beanstalk. At the end of this module, you will come to know about EC2, Elastic Beanstalk, Lambda, and other compute services. Let us take AWS compute services. What are the compute services we have? Now, in this AWS compute, we are going to talk about EC2, which is another compute, one is the main compute service. Then EC2 auto scaling, AWS Lambda, Fargate, ECR, ECS, EKS, and Elastic Beanstalk. So all these 7 things we are going to discuss in this module. Okay. Now, We'll split these 7 modules. What are the main things? Now, EC2 is nothing but virtual machine. Virtual machine means what? A virtual computer. That means instead of buying a computer, you go and take a normal computer like in the cloud. In the cloud, we are taking a computer. Now, since we are usually when you start a company, what you want, you are starting a BPO company or an IT company. What you want actually? What you want to run a company? What you want? You want computers? Yes or no? Yes? Okay.
What is it?
Now you are buying a computer, let us take. Now for buying this computer, you need to invest a lot of money. Correct now? If one computer 50,000, if you calculate itself, it's a 12 computers or 10 computers, it's like a 5 lakh rupees you have to spend. Correct? For starting a company. Now AWS with the help of virtual machine service, we are reducing this infrastructure cost. That's why infrastructure as a service, which we already learned in the first module, infrastructure as a service. Instead of spending a lot of money, we are going for a computer. Now, all these instance, all these virtual machine, there is computer, we call it as instance. I think in the second module itself, I asked you to write it in your notebook. Instance is equal to system, system is equal to server. Server means EC2 instance here in the cloud, right? Now this instance based, it is instance based. That is number of instances we take. Number of instances means number of computers that we take. So we call this instance as called virtual machine. That is, it's not, it's a machine. It's a machine in sense it's a computer machine, but we are not using it physically. We are taking it virtually. So we are saying it as virtual machine. What are the characteristics? It's provision virtual machines that you can manage as you choose. So you can able to provision means you can able to take it, you can able to buy it, and you can able to use according to your purpose. And there are a lot of options as well. There are a lot of options as well. As I already told you, like, can you able to buy a computer for 10,000 rupees? Yes. Is it possible? Yes or no? Yes, same thing. 20,000 gets possible, 30,000 is possible, 40, 50, 1 lakh. Yes, it will keep on going. Same thing, virtual machine also have lot of options. It is having 270 plus options. It is having 270 plus options. There is configurations. So how we are differentiating between these 10,000 and 20,000 K servers based on the based on the configuration, right? Same thing only. So it's a familiar concept to you, many IT professionals. That is called a virtual machine. Next, Lambda. Lambda is a serverless computing service. Serverless computing service means, for example, you why you want to take this computer actually? Why you want to take the virtual computer? Why you want to take a computer first of all? Why you want to buy a computer? Why you want to buy a computer first of all? For any work use, correct? No? Okay. So for our work usage, right? Now for our work usage, we buy the computer. Now, are we working using this computer for 24 per 7? No. We are using for 2 hours or 3 hours, let us take. For this 2 hours or 3 hours, we are spending internet and electricity for this computer. It is charging us. Let us take monthly 1500 rupees, it is charging. Or let us take 5000 rupees, it is charging. Now, just 2 hours, 3 hours you are using, but monthly it is getting a charge of 5000. Now, this can be avoided by taking a serverless compute service. Serverless means, for example, now this computer which you bought, who will take care of the maintenance? The system has to be maintained properly with a cooling fan, and your proper internet facility should be there, proper electricity should be there, and dust should not go. Maintenance, any virus should not go. All these things, who will maintain? Who has to maintain? Us, correct? Now you only have to do it. But now, when you're taking a computer, you just use it for 1 hour or 2 hour only for your purpose. That too for a 1 second or 2 second also. Then at that time, you don't want to spend full money for investing in this VM. That is in your virtual machine. That is your service you are taking. You can use it Lambda function just for 10 to 15 minutes time. You want to run something and you want to showcase some project or something, that time you can go for that too. Automatically you want to do something, you can take this serverless compute service. Serverless compute service means, I just now told you, right? Your maintenance, virus, dust keeping, full maintenance, everything will be managed by AWS. You don't want to manage that also. But if you take a virtual machine, you have to manage that because it's your computer. It's like physically you are renting a computer. This is renting a computer, virtual machine. This is just using a computer only for a specific period of time. That too only 1 hour or 2 hours only, or 15 minutes only you are using. For that, we can go for this serverless computing service, where this is function based. Function based means only for that particular function I will use that. Next, it is low cost. Next, it is low cost. So the main thing is you can write and deploy the code that runs on a schedule or that are triggered by events. Triggered by events means, for example, in your website, you're clicking a button, then the image is coming. So those are called functions. When you click something, it's happening. Some event is happening when you do something. So whenever we want to reduce the cost, we go for that too. It's not necessary that full server has to run. You can go for serverless computing service. So use when possible architect for the cloud. Use possible when architect for the cloud. So a relatively new concept for many IT staff members, but easy to use after you learn how. But easy to use after you learn how. So serverless means what? AWS will manage everything. Now this is for EC2. Now same thing ECS. ECS is nothing but a container-based computing service. What is this container-based? Let us take a computer. Can I say a computer is equal to two or three laptops, I mean, two or three tablets or mobile phone? Yes, yes, a computer is equal to three tablets or two tablets or two mobile or two or three mobile phones. Is it true? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now let me ask a question. You want to start a computer. You want to start the device. Which one will be faster? Starting. Is a tablet will be faster or your computer will be faster? Which one will be faster? Starting. You just switch on. Or let us take mobile itself. Which one will be faster? Your mobile will be faster when you switch on, or your computer will be faster. Computer will be faster, eh? When you switch on. Mobile will be faster. Correct now? Now same thing. When you stop a computer or a machine, mobile will be faster or a computer will be faster. Which one will be faster? Stop, stop, stop also. Again mobile. Correct now? Yes. So now mobile only starting and starting is faster. Start and stop is faster. Start and stop is faster. Start and stop is faster. Now, now if you want to, if this is faster, then if we want to use a heavy workload, a big workload is there. Can you able to do it in this tablet or mobile, or you'll go for virtual machine? That is your computer. When you'll use this computer, you want to do video editing, lot of things you have to do. Will you depend on the mobile or your computer? computer. Correct? No? Now, same thing only. When you have a small application to be running and doing and everything, we go for container-based computing, where the cost will be less. That's also instance based. Instance means what? Server based. Your job is only to spin up and run jobs quickly, more quickly. As I told you, quickly you want to finish, you go for mobile option. Next, one more thing is that is Fargate. Fargate is again a serverless container service. How Lambda is working supporting for VM, same thing Fargate will support container based services. So it reduces administrative cost, but you can use it optionally that give you more control. So you can able to use it faster. You can able to spin. You can able to spin. You can able to spin. Spin in sense it will run faster when compared to your container also. Next ECR. ECR is nothing but a container registry. That means what you want to run first that will be stored in the container. Okay, that is in the ECR, row out repository, that will get registered there. From there we will take and use it. That's what this ECR. All these things we'll be learning in depth inside. Now it's just an introduction. Next, Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk is the one we call it as a platform as a service. We call it as a platform as a service for web applications. So focus on code, building your application. We focus mainly on your code, building your application. It can easily tie to another services like database, domain, and name systems also. And it's fast to easy and get it. So whenever you want to do some web applications, you can able to go with Elastic Beanstalk. So write all these seven alone in your notebook or this one alone in your notebook. Yes, no. Just write this one alone. Answer. Mm, இப்போ நான் வேற நெட்வொர்க்ல இருக்கேன் சார். ஒரு 7:30 செக் பண்ணணுமா? சரி சரி சார். ஓகே. So just write this one alone in your notebook. Once you're done, just give a thumbs up symbol. Okay, done. Now, so choosing the optimal compute service, that means what? For example, you are buying a computer for a data entry job. For a data entry job, what type of computer will you buy? Will you spend a 50,000 rupees computer? Will you buy a 50,000 worth of a computer or a 20,000 worth of a computer? Data entry job, 20K one, correct na? Fine. Now same thing, you are going for a video editing job. Which computer will you purchase? 50,000 or 20,000? 50K one, yes. It depends on the pattern of the work, what you do and what you are going to do with that. Same thing, some assets to consider when you when you go with the compute service. What is your application design? What are its usage patterns? Which configuration settings will you want to manage? Next, selecting the wrong compute solution for architecture can lead to low performance, correct na? If you are taking a video editing, if you get a 20K worth of a computer, will it work properly? Will it work properly? Yes or no? No. Same thing only. A good starting place, understand the available compute options. So how many compute options are there? As I told you, 270 plus compute services are there, compute options are there. So we have to select from this. How will you select on all those things? We will discuss. First we go for Amazon EC2. That's your EC2. As I already told you, write in your notebook and keep it. EC2 means instance. Whenever I say instance, you can say instance is EC2. Instance is nothing but server. Server is nothing but system. Okay. First EC2. So what are the types of computers we have? Let us say what are the applications first you have in your mobile. Can you just list down the applications what you have in your mobile? Okay, first of all, how many applications you have in your mobile? How many applications you have in your mobile? 60 to 70 years. What are types of applications you have? Types of applications. What are the types of applications you have? Like you have gaming applications? Yes. Okay, then like that you just say something. Let us take games. Then AI apps. Okay. You have Gmail. You have movies. You have social media. You have storage services, storage, file sharing. Then what else? YouTube, and all those apps are there, correct? Now all these servers, that is this holding these applications, all these servers are same server, same type of server? No. Yes, they have different types of servers. So what are the types of servers we have? You want to watch a website, what we have to use? What server? You're going to see a website. What server we have to do? We have to launch. That is Google. That is web server. What? Web server. You want to use gaming applications. What server? You're going to create gaming applications. What server you need to create? What server we need to create? You need to create gaming server. Next, you want to transfer files. File server. You want to use Gmail. Mail server. You want to use application server. You want to list some items in your e-commerce websites, catalog server. So like this, there are a lot of servers are there. Same thing, that is in a physically. In the physical mode, we have all these servers. Now, when it comes to EC2, that is cloud, will you have all these options, all these types of servers? Yes. So cloud also will have all these types of servers. You see, application server, web server, database server, game, mail, media, catalog, file, compute, proxy server. Everything is there. On-premise server, on-premise server. So on-premise servers, that is your on-premise means physical server. So whatever you have in a physical server, we have it in the EC2 also. You can have multiple servers at the same time as well. Okay, fine. Now we'll come for the definition of EC2. What is EC2? Elastic E Compute Cloud, CC. That was C2. So Elastic Compute Cloud. That means elastic means what? First of all, increasing or decreasing, correct, by itself, increasing or decreasing. Now Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that is EC2, that provides a virtual machine referring to as the EC2 instance. It's a virtual machine. That means I can able to add instance, I can able to remove instance. That means I can able to add server, remove server. It gives you full control of your guest operating system. Guest operating system means whatever we are using, whatever we use is called guest operating system. Whatever Amazon, the cloud is having, right, that is called host operating system. That is called host operating system. Now you can able to launch instances of any size into an availability zone anywhere in the world. You can able to launch any instance. You can able to launch instances of any sizes into an availability zone anywhere in the world. That means from anywhere you can able to launch your computer. It's not like physically you have to buy. And you are going to select the OS part also. Next, how we are going to select this, how it's going to help you? It is because of AMI, that is Amazon Machine Image. The Amazon Machine Image is that image copy is you are creating and you are using it. And how can you launch a computer? That means, for example, you are going to buy a computer physically. How much time it will take? How much time it will take? You are going to buy a new computer. 30 minutes, 1 hour. Easily you can buy it. Do you think so? Buy, set, and configure and everything. No, for example, you are going and buying a HP computer to a shop. Your traveling itself will take around half an hour, 1 hour, let us take. After that, you go and ask the vendor. The vendor will say, no, I don't have HP, but I have Asus, which is very super, which is nice, and he will try to sell whatever they have. If you are interested, you will continue, or you will move to other shop. Correct, na? So at least it will take half a day time. But here, when you launch an instance, that is, you launch a server, it will take only a few clicks. Only a few clicks. Just two clicks, three clicks. When you're done, it will automatically start launching your computer. So that's what it's saying. You launch an instance with a few clicks or a line of code, and they are ready in minutes. Next, you can control traffic to and from traffic. To and from means you can control the incoming and outgoing traffic for your computer. That is your network. You are able to control your traffic by putting full of securities. Okay. So if you have not done anything about the EC2 instance, just to write EC2 instance Elastic Compute Cloud refers to the virtual machines. It can give full access to the operating system. You can able to launch anything inside anywhere, and you can have full control from the instance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 lines you can be able to write it in your notebook. Once you're done, just click show a thumbs up symbol. Your turn. Okay. So here you can able to see the 9 key decisions to make when you create an EC2 instance and launch an instance. What are the 9 key decisions that we to launch an EC2 instance? We'll see. So select an IAM. First one, select an IAM. Choice made using the launch instance wizard. So first write all these 9 key decisions in your notebook. Then I'll teach you AMI alone. You're done. Okay, so first one AMI. AMI is nothing but an image. That is one. I just now I told you. See, you want to create a computer means what? We have to have a template. We have to have a template. Correct? Now, we want to create anything also. For example, you want to create a resume means what you want? You want somebody's resume template. Correct? You copy that and create it your own. Correct? Now, same thing. This Amazon machine image is the instance copy of the template. That template is mainly used to create your EC2 instance, and that's your virtual machine. Okay, and it will have option to select your OS. You have the option to select your OS, whether Windows or Linux or anything. And in case if you are getting a somebody's configuration also fine, where all the softwares are already installed, like when you buy a new computer, is they have installed some pre softwares by themselves. When you buy a new mobile also, they have installed a lot of applications by themselves. Correct or not? Yes, same thing here also. Now, they are giving some options in the AMI. When you are selecting AMI, it is having 4 options. First one is quick start. First one is quick start. That means quickly I can able to start means by default something is selected. By default something is selected. That is called your quick start. By quick start will always have Windows plus Linux. Amazon will go Windows plus Linux. Okay. Amazon will go always with Windows plus Linux configuration. So next option is my AMI. My AMI means, as the name itself says, my AMI. That is whatever AMI you have created already. That means whatever AMI you used to create your own instance, that configuration will be stored here. That configuration will be stored here, which you can use it for some other region or some other later part. See, whatever you do, you will be taking a copy and keep it right for your future use. Whatever you're studying, whatever you're doing, everything you'll keep a copy for the future use. I think nowadays you guys are storing all your data in your Google Drive. Am I right or not? Am I right? So for what purpose you are storing all these things? For your future use, right? Same thing, my AMI will store automatically your configuration so that you can able to take and use it later. Next, Amazon Marketplace. Let us say marketplace means what generally? Generally market means what? You remember your vegetable market? Yes. What is that? You will be having a lot of vegetable stores and everything, correct? Same thing here, AWS Marketplace, that is pre-configured template. They have already done something, the configuration to develop an application. That configuration setup will be there full. That will also have a copy, right? See how they have taken our copy. Same thing, others copy also will be there. That copy they can able to sell it for a lower price. Now that it will be available in AWS Marketplace, where it is from the third parties but is approved by AWS. Approved by AWS. Another thing is community AMI. This is also same thing only from the third party templates, but it is not approved by AWS. You have to use it at your own risk. You have to use it at your own risk. So whenever we want, we can able to use it at our own risk. It will not be proper. That is, AWS is not guaranteeing that how it will work. It's up to us. Okay, that's called AMI. Now you see the configuration here, AMI. Quick start. We start an AMI. Since you are getting a template, it is usually unmodified. Karna, we are taking a free, we are taking a new one. That is, we have not touched anything, we have not done anything extra. Like you are buying a new mobile. When you buy a new mobile, how it will be? It will be very new. Now, once you bought it, immediately you will put security settings, you will install apps and everything, right? When you install your apps, now it will become your AMI. Now it will become your model, that is modified instance. Same thing here. When you're not done anything, it will become unmodified. When you've done something, added something, that is modified instance. So now it will become a new AMI. Now that will be having a copy in the my AMI. As I told you, it will be having a storing a copy in the my AMI. You see region 1, region 2. Now that AMI copy you can use it in the new region where you want to launch the same application. Exactly. Are you getting? Yes. Are you getting this one? Just put a thumbs up symbol if you're getting. Okay, fine. So we'll see the remaining things, that is instant types and other things tomorrow, and not tomorrow, Monday at the same time. I'll send you the document of the networking model fifth one and the recordings as well. Okay, guys. And those who have not completed your lab, please finish the lab. We have already completed 3 labs: networking, security, and I think storage we have done. Okay. Okay, yes. So thank you. We'll see you on Monday at the same time.